This tiny cabin home on wheels thoughtfully blends the refined essence of Japanese design with a strong emphasis on spatial ergonomics, proving that even in a compact footprint, comfort and efficiency can go hand in hand. The interior is guided by minimalist principle, clean lines, and also the natural materials typical of Japanese aesthetic. But what sets this design apart is its deep attention to how space is experienced and used. Central to maintaining ergonomic efficiency is the use of a raised floor cabinet system. This multifunctional feature serves not only a subtle room divider but also as a smart storage solution that supports ease of movement and accessibility. Items are stored within the floor itself through sliding drawers, allowing residents to keep their belongings organized and within reach without overcrowding the vertical space. In addition to the raised floor, the tiny home incorporates a series of built-in cabinets that are seamlessly integrated into room partition and aligned strategically with window areas. This placement is not incidental, it reflects a conscious effort to maximize natural light, enhancing visibility during the day and reducing the reliance on artificial lighting. This approach not only boosts energy efficiency, a core tenet in Japanese sustainable living, but also creates a warmer and more inviting ambience within the cabin. Cabinet located near the window also allow for comfortable usage, as this space naturally become focal points for daily activities such as reading, relaxing, or light work. The cabinetry integration into this zone supports smooth physical movement, encourages intuitive flow, and prevents spatial congestion, key aspect of an ergonomic environment. Throughout the cabin, every built-in element is designed with intentional proportion to support posture, reachability, and circulation, whether one is sit on the rest floor, transitioning between zones, or utilizing storage. This thoughtful spatial planning ensures that the home remains functional, calming, and also the efficient, hallmarks of both Japanese architecture and ergonomic design. Ultimately, this tiny cabin home on wheels succeeds in merging cultural subtlety with modern-day practically, offering a harmonious living experience where form, function, and flow are delicately balanced within a limited space.